Welcome to our tutorial on creating a table of figures or tables in Microsoft Word. In this guide, we'll show you how to add captions to your figures and tables, and then generate a table of these elements to keep your document organized. Let's get started. First, let's add captions to your figures, equations, and tables. Captions are essential for creating a table of figures, equations, or tables. If you still need to add images or tables, we'll look at this in a later video. But we'll assume you have added them already for this video. To add a caption to an image or figure, click on the image to select it. Then, go to the References tab on the ribbon and click on Insert Caption, or right-click and select Add Caption. In the dialog box that appears, choose Figure from the Label drop-down menu. You can customize the caption text by typing in the Caption field. Click OK to insert the caption below your image. Next, let's add a caption to a table. Click on the table to select it, go to the References tab, and click Insert Caption. In the dialog box, choose Table from the Label drop-down menu. Type your caption text and click OK to insert the caption above the table. Now that we have added captions to our figures and tables, let's create a table of figures. Place your cursor where you want the table of figures to appear, typically at the beginning or end of your document. Go to the References tab, click on Insert Table of Figures, and choose the label you want to use, such as Figure. Click OK, and Word will generate a table of figures based on the captions you added. If you add more figures or tables to your document, you can update the table of figures or tables include the new entries. Simply go to the References tab and click Update Table. You can choose to update the entire table or just the page numbers. For further customization, click on Insert Table of Figures in the References tab and select Modify. Here, you can change the format, including the style, font, and other formatting options to match your document's design. And that's it! You now know how to add captions and create a table of figures, equations, or tables in Microsoft Word. These features are great for organizing complex documents and making them more accessible to your readers. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.